Hey guys.
Hey everybody.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Journey with the Jacksons. Hey, so we are here today. So what are we going to do today, babes?
Today we are talking about 10 things, or better yet, 10 words that Jamaicans mispronounce. And we think, or they think, we all think that that's the way the word is supposed to be pronounced. All right? But before we get into that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to us again. We cannot say that enough. Don't forget to what?
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, so just click the subscribe button, subscribe to our channel. Make sure,
yes. By subscribing, it shows that you're supporting us and that you like what we're doing. So show some love and leave us a comment down in the comment section. All right, baby, let's get the ball rolling.
All
right, so the first one is, just a little background check. As Jamaicans, we know already that we speak patois, a dialect called patois, and it's broken English.
Yeah.
And so because of that, we have some very, very, very creative, and Jamaicans behave like they are brainist. But that's my word, right? That's my word. So brainist is somebody who is like smart and
creative.
Yeah. All right, so let's get going. So the first word is fatigue.
Fatigue.
Yeah, what's the correct word for that? What do you think that when
fatigue?
Fatigue, right?
Yeah, so the correct term would be fatigue, but I don't know where we get it from. Like fatigue. Somebody said, "Don't fatigue me." Yeah. No fatigue me. Don't give me a hard time.
No bother me.
Yeah, don't bother me so much.
Don't provoke me.
Yeah. Fatigue.
Yeah. Or but it's so funny because the word fatigue and fatigue, is talking about you being tired and that kind of stuff. So,
you know one interesting thing, babes? I think we need like a Jamaican dictionary.
We need one.
A Jamaican dictionary where we can put these words like fatigue in and then put a meaning towards it.
Yeah. We can see what we can do.
Yeah, we can probably organize one. Let us know. Let us know how that one sounds.
Or if you are a linguist and you're interested,
you can run with it.
Yeah. Next one, Merca. What is Merca?
Merca?
Yeah, or we say Jamaican say income from America.
Oh, America.
The
USA, America. America.
Yeah.
So where is he now? Oh, he's in America.
Yeah.
Or him there, America.
Yeah. America. It's so funny. Another one is certificate. No, certificate.
No, babe. Let me tell you. Certificate. No, the correct term is certificate.
Right.
But we say certificate.
I want it, sir.
Certificate, yeah. Yeah, so we don't pronounce the word. So a lot of Jamaicans don't pronounce the word how it is supposed to be pronounced, but how it sounds good to them. So instead of saying certificate.
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy.
And another thing, by the way, guys, we're wearing pink and we're looking bright today because outside in Jamaica, before I get to that, it's cloudy outside. Let's say it's bleak.
Yeah.
It's overcast. Well, if you're here in Jamaica, what we say?
Bleaky.
It's bleaky.
Yeah, it's bleaky. One time I used that term and my mother said, where you got that word from? Bleaky. There's no such word as bleaky. And I said, Mommy, then is what? And she said, it's bleak.
It's bleak.
No bleaky.
No bleaky, guys.
Yeah.
So for all of us Jamaicans who think that there's actually a proper word called bleaky, wrong. So
only for Jamaicans.
Right.
In our circles.
Right. All right. And another popular one is like so a Jamaican may be at a formal function or so and feel that he or she is speaking the proper English language, and they'll be like, this is a sentence. Let's go down there.
No.
Let's go down there. What is down?
Down. Oh, down.
Down.
Let's go down there. Let's go down there. Down.
I
wish parish that. Down. Where we get it from?
Don't know, but it's a part of us. Another big one, guys, is family or family.
Family.
No, family.
Family.
Yes.
So instead of saying family, but we say family too. Oh, but that we say, yeah.
Yeah.
And some people say family.
Yeah, family
like
and family for
yeah.
family.
Yeah, all the B, all you get the B in there, family. Oh, you get the B in there. Like.
And you know, kill some people dead. Like
Mm-hmm.
that is the correct word, you know.
Yeah.
Family, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, our family.
Mm-hmm.
Something that is so funny though.
Crazy.
It's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Another one. Sausage. What's the word that Jamaican use instead of sausage?
Sausage.
Yeah,
Sausage. That was it.
sausage. Yeah.
Oh.
What's a sausage?
Oh yeah, we say sachis. Sachis.
Yeah, sachis.
Yeah, sachis. Sachis.
You know what? Just because we try to you know what the distinction?
So instead of saying sausage,
Yeah.
we say sachis.
Sachis.
Pass it in a sachis for me now.
You find it
Sachis.
difficult,
Yeah,
difficult to say.
sachis. Yeah.
Sachis. It's funny,
Oh
though.
gosh, yeah man.
All right. You know, for if we say that somebody's in the hospital, right, and
Mhm.
they're not feeling well, they got a stroke. How would a Jamaican say they got a stroke?
Strokes.
Or chokes?
Strokes. Oh man,
Like you know, some people say like,
in catch. Oh yeah, in catch strokes.
you ain't get chokes.
In catch strokes.
Or
You catch strokes.
You know, catch strokes. You
Oh.
can't catch. Well, you don't catch strokes.
Hey, this is a sensitive issue, but just for the sake of how Jamaicans mispronounce the word strokes, that's what we're finding fun with.
Funny, yeah.
So-
Point of information.
Yeah.
Right. So it's not stroke. What about the word safety?
So oh yeah, I know this one. I'm gonna say safety. Safety.
It's safety.
Safety.
Yeah.
So instead of saying safety, say safety.
It's so funny how we go about pronouncing these words.
I'm mispronouncing these words.
Yeah, it's true. Even just how we talk about it. Sometimes you're in a formal setting where the English language, the Queen's language, for
Yeah.
argument's sake is required,
Yeah.
and just the way how people pronounce these words so confidently, that is how it's
like
pronounced.
it right, like
Yeah,
it correct.
it's sometimes so funny.
Yeah.
But I mean, I know that you guys can. And another thing to note is that it depends on where you are in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You pronounce words based on that.
Yeah.
So
Because our friends from St. Elizabeth,
would pronounce the tank as what?
tank?
Tank. How would they pronounce tank?
No.
The tank.
The tank.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, the tank. So it depends on where you are based on the language continuum.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it depends. I think it was said that the closer that you live to Kingston, the more standard English you speak.
Of course, I live to Portland because Portland people
Uptown.
we pronounce our words
We're-
correctly. we are peculiar about our enunciation and pronunciation.
Well, goddess scholar. But the thing is, we're all Jamaicans, and I
Yeah.
think it's the difference and the variation in the way we pronounce things and we do things that make us
So unique.
a melting pot out of many one people.
Yeah. The
It's
combination.
So guess what, guys? Down below, please tell us which part are you from and
Yeah.
words that
Some words that you pronounce are
mispronounced.
mispronounced.
Or maybe somebody in your family does
Yeah.
that. My granny, for argument's sake, is always calling a potato the potato.
The potato.
No, the potato.
Potato.
And I just can't get it. The potato. But
I am
anyway.
going to eat some potato pudding.
Yeah, or make we eat some potato pudding.
Yeah.
Or I love potato pudding.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really do though.
Yes.
So guys, we don't know if you found this fun.
Yeah. Let us know. I'm coming, as I said, there are many words which we mispronounce, so just include them in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
and journey with the
Jackson.
Alright, so see you guys.
Next time. Take
Bye.
care. Bye. Be safe.